How to use coins in Ultrakill. I'm going to show you how you can easily use coins in Ultrakill. Coins are tiny, versatile projectiles that V1 can toss using the marksman revolver or its alternate form. While virtually useless on their own, they become powerful tools of destruction when used in combination with various attacks, most notably with any non-continuous hit scan attacks. Any coins that hit the surface will expire and appear black, which renders them useless. The most basic use of coins is to shoot them with hit scan attacks. Upon being hit, the coin will ricochet the attack into a nearby target. If the target has a vulnerable weak spot, the ricocheted shot will automatically aim for it. Additionally, if multiple coins are airborne at once, shots will ricochet consecutively off of each coin before seeking out a target. Rico shots will ignore rockets that V1 is surfing on, and valid projectiles too far away from the coin will not be targeted. If there are two objects of the same priority list, such as two enemies in the coin's line of sight, then the coin will target the closer enemy. Multiple airborne coins will ricochet a shot between each other, with each consecutive coin adding its damage multiplier to the attack. For the base revolver, each coin adds 0.5 DMG to each hit scan, with double damage on headshot. For the slap revolver and the electric rail cannon, the first coin adds 0.5 DMG per hit scan, and each subsequent coin adds 0.25 DMG per hit scan. Unless you reset the timer during the weapon swap, all coins will be in a split shot state from swapping and charging the shot by default. Shooting a coin with any non-alternate revolver at a specific time will cause a split shot, splitting the revolver shot into two separate shots that will each ricochet into a different target. If a coin splits, then each of them will have its priority, but all split shots in one batch cannot hit the same coin or target twice. When there are not enough coins for each split shot left, some of the shots can target enemies earlier. Unless you reset the timer during the weapon swap, all coins will be in a split shot state from swapping and charging the slap charge shot by default. Once the coin projectile hits an enemy or surface, it will turn back into a normal coin and bounce directly upward into the air from the point of impact, resetting its airtime and allowing it to be shot or punched once more. The damage of the punched coin is equal to its power, which starts at 1 and increases by 1 every time the coin is punched or chained in a ricochet. When shot, the coin uses the power to calculate damage, with power being equal to number of coins shot. A whiplashed coin will bounce up at the position of impact, moving slightly towards the player. You can whiplash multiple coins. If a coin is being hit by an electric explosion, it will create an electric explosion itself. The damage is equal to the electric explosion triggering it. A coin can only conduct an electric explosion once. Doing so will not destroy the coin, which continues to function as usual. When performing split shots while dual wield power up is active, every additional gun wielded will add one more split to the coin.